Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for the Surface Pro 4. In this video, we will walk you through the essential steps to keep your device in top condition. Let's get started. First, gather the necessary tools. You will need a Torx 5 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth. These tools will help you safely open your device and clean its internal components. Begin by powering off your Surface Pro 4 and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, use the Torx 5 screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back cover. There are a total of 6 screws to take out. Make sure to keep them in a safe place, as you will need them later to reassemble your device. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the internal components. If you encounter resistance, check for any screws you may have missed. With the back cover removed, you will see the internal components of your Surface Pro 4. It's important to clean the fan and heat sink to prevent overheating. Use the microfiber cloth to gently wipe away any dust or debris. For a more thorough cleaning, you can use compressed air to blow out any stubborn particles. While you are inside the device, take a moment to check the battery connections. If you notice any corrosion or loose connections, it may be time for a professional diagnosis without obligation. Remember, if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this maintenance, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get the help you need. After cleaning, carefully reattach the back cover. Align it properly and press down gently to ensure it fits snugly. Then, use the Torx 5 screwdriver to replace the screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened securely, but avoid over-tightening, as this can cause damage. Now that your Surface Pro 4 is reassembled, power it on and check for any issues. If everything is functioning well, congratulations! You've successfully completed the maintenance. If you encounter any problems or if your device requires further attention, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. No calls, no travel, just a simple and efficient service to keep your device running smoothly. In summary, regular maintenance of your Surface Pro 4 can significantly extend its lifespan and performance. By following these steps, you can ensure that your device remains in excellent condition. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tech maintenance tips. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door. No calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.